Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a recipe for a loaded fries recipe. You guys are going to love this one, and so are your kids. So I hope you guys are staying safe indoors and try this recipe. So to make this, you want to have all of your ingredients prepared ahead of time. So I have sweet peppers, onions, tomatoes. I have some bacon and some ham, some pickled jalapenos and pineapple, and some cheese. Feel free to use whatever ingredients you have on hand. I also have some fries already prepared. And to make this recipe, we're going to start in a big bowl and layer one set of the fries or half of the fries. And then we're going to add all of our toppings. Now the toppings, guys, whatever you have on hand, you can use. And if you wanted to make this vegetarian, of course, you can. We're going to top that first layer off with some cheese, and I'm using a Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going in with another layer of fries, and then we're going to continue layering our vegetables and then finishing with cheese. It's very easy to put together with whatever ingredients you have on hand. This goes into your oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. I did sprinkle a little bit of colored bell peppers on the top. Once it's finished baking, you can go ahead and serve this immediately. You need to eat this hot so you can get the full flavor of it. This was really easy and delicious to put together. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It was inspired by the Mario's recipe. So if you guys make it, comment and let me know. Remember to like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.